Hi guys, so I'm Dhir Misra and I'm going to talk about GATE 2021, and this year the GATE examination will be conducted by IIT Bombay. So you can see here the organizing institute is IIT Bombay. As you know, after 8 years each IIT conducts, each year you will find new IITs will be conducting GATE examination. So this year the conducting body is Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. So GATE 2021. Okay, so I'm at official website of GATE 2021 and I will be talking about the GATE feature. Okay, and what are the important dates, tentative dates given by IIT Bombay, and what are the new changes made this year in the GATE examination pattern. Okay, as well as what are the major changes made in the syllabi. Okay, so I believe particular regarding few branches such as electronics and communication branch. I will talk about what are the major changes made by IIT Bombay this year in the syllabus. What kind of topic they have removed, and what are the new topic they have introduced. Okay, and how they have arranged the syllabus, because earlier syllabus was quite vast, and still it is quite vast, but they have made certain changes which were essential, necessary part of. Okay, so let us take a look. So I'm at official website of IIT Bombay, GATE 2021. Okay, so if I talk about the introduction part, so everybody knows that GATE is basically graduate aptitude test in engineering, is a national examination conducted jointly by IITs and ISC Bangalore. So there are 7 IITs, okay, and 1 ISC Bangalore, and they are like old IITs like Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee. On a behalf of National Coordination Board (NCB), GATE, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. GATE examination is a purely computer based test. Okay, so earlier GATE examination used to be conducted using paper based. Okay, but now it's been 7 years they are following the pattern, like the question paper will be available in front of your computer screen, and you will have to appear in the computer based test examination, right? So earlier MHRD used to conduct GATE, but now MHRD has got different name. Okay, according to new education policy, you can see here. So already I told you the organizing institute for GATE 2021 is Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Okay, last year you might have found that the organizing institute was IIT Delhi, right? Okay, so what kind of benefits you're going to get if you will get qualified in the GATE examination? So qualifying in the GATE examination is mandatory requirement for seeking admission and financial assistance to postgraduate program. What are the postgraduate programs such as MTech, like masters, and doctoral PhD? Okay, so if you will get qualified in the GATE examination, okay, so if you will be able to get marks more than cutoff marks, okay, so you will be entitled with certain financial assistance, certain scholarships, okay, regardless of your category, whether you are from general category or SC ST or anything, you will be given some scholarships. Like if I talk about MTech, so 12,400 per month you will be getting. Okay, so once you and GATE score, the qualifying in the GATE will help you to get admission in IITs, so you can make your dreams come true. Okay, and NITs and IITs. Okay, so GATE score is also used by public sector undertaking. So you also may be familiar with this. Okay, so GATE score is also used to to get recruit, if any public sector undertaking PSUs are going to recruit, so they will be using GATE score of a fresh year for their recruitment, and by several other universities in India like BITS Pilani and different BITS Pilani though conduct their own examination, but they sometimes they also take they also admit new students via GATE score if you have great GATE score. Okay, so GATE 2021, and also you can also get admission abroad. Okay, there are few like in Singapore, National University of Singapore, they take admission, they give you admission based on your GATE score. Okay, So you must also get familiar with the GATE 2021 score will remain valid for 3 years. Okay, so from the date of announcement of the result. Okay, so any examination, if you will get qualified in this GATE examination, so your GATE score will be valid for 3 years, right? Okay, so about GATE, already I told you it is a national examination. Okay, what they test basically, what GATE is basically a examination which tests your comprehensive understanding of the candidate. Okay, in various undergraduate subject in engineering, technology and architecture, and postgraduate level subject in art, commerce and science. Okay, so in fact BTech student can appear in the GATE examination, and MSc student can also appear in the GATE examination, right? So this time GATE 21 will be conducted for 27 subjects. So two new subjects has been introduced. Okay, so I will talk about those new subjects. Okay, so this time 27 paper will be conducted, and they have also given, earlier GATE examination used to be conducted for 2 days only, but this time they have increased the number of days. So GATE examination will be conducted for 6 days, you can see, in 12 sessions. Why they have done this kind of changes? Because of pandemic coronavirus situation. So these are the tentative dates. Okay, in the first week of the February or second week of the February, you can see the Friday 5th, 6th and 7th and 12th, 13 and 14. These are the dates which are subject to change. Okay, because of COVID-19 situation. Okay, so needless to get stuck, you need to continue your preparation, and till December it will be finalized. Okay, if COVID-19 situation will go down. Okay, so GATE examination conducted in different cities across India. Okay, as well as 6 cities outside India. In international centers, GATE 2021 will be conducted only if the current COVID-19 situation eases and travel and other restrictions are relaxed. Okay, okay. So now moving forward, okay, so it is all about COVID-19 situation. If it is going to be eased and travel will be allowed, so international center will be also allowed to conduct GATE examination, otherwise they will be cancelled. Okay, so GATE score would reflect the relative performance level of candidate in a particular subject, which is quantified based on several years of examination data. Okay, okay. So you can see, guys, these are the old IITs and IISc. These are the logos of different IITs. IISc Bangalore, one of the premier institute in India, elite institute in India. Every aspirant have dreamed to get admission in Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, and IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur. So you need to get good rank and good scores. So I will be guiding in further sessions in the YouTube as well. Okay, in which area you should make your career. Okay, so let us go for highlights of GATE. What are the major changes made by IIT Bombay this year? So they have given some highlights. Okay, so these are the highlights, guys. Already told you that the tentative date for examination, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So you need to note, and the GATE examination will be conducted in 2 sessions, forenoon and afternoon each day, and it will be purely CBT. Okay, these are the bullet points you can see. Okay, these are the highlights. So these are the 2 new subjects was introduced this time. Environmental science and engineering, and humanities and social science in economics, English, philosophy, psychology and sociology. Because earlier for art people GATE examination was not allowed, but this time they have, IIT Bombay has done justice to psychology and sociology, English, economics, right? So total number of papers will be 27, and syllabi of all papers have been revised for GATE 2021. Okay, I told you, as they have made some new topic they have introduced, and few topic has been removed. So GATE syllabus has been totally revised, and all test paper of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. Okay, earlier 2 kind of question used to be asked. One was multiple choice questions, like one question is given and 4 options are given, so you have to select one answer. So one answer will be correct, but this time they have also introduced multiple select questions. So they are following the IIT JEE pattern. Okay, one question will be given and 4 options are there, but one only one answer will not be correct. More than one option can be correct. So you have to be very very you have to get you can't guess blindly. You have to be very thorough in the topic and subjects. Okay, and numerical answer type will be given. So one question is given and you have to answer numerically, like 1 0 whatever, right, by using numerical answer key. Okay, right. So one or two subjects paper are allowed. Okay, earlier, like I am from electronics and communications, so I cannot appear in different branches at the same time, but this time you can appear like I am from electronics and communications, so I can appear in instrumentation branch, right. So two papers combination have to be chosen from the given list of the combination of the papers. So the combination is given in the browser itself, right. So I'm not gonna read the browser entirely, because these are the highlights which will give you and which will make you familiar with the gate pattern. Okay, so two branches has been introduced. Okay, and new kind of question will be given this year, multiple select questions. Okay, and numerical answer type questions. Okay, and eligibility criteria is relaxed this time. As you know that before gate before 2013, third year student used to appear in the gate examination, and after it's been 7 years, third year student was not allowed. But this year third year students are also allowed, who are currently studying in third year or higher year of any undergraduate degree program, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, art in eligible to appear for gate 2021 examination. So this time they have given more expectation, so you guys can tie your lace and start preparing for gate examination now, third year student as well. Okay, so there is no age limit. Everybody might be familiar with this. There is no age limit. Even if you are 50 years old, you can appear in the gate examination, right. And if you are 18 years old and if you are in third year, you can, if you are in if you are at 20 years and if you are pursuing third year, okay, so you can appear in the gate examination, right. So application will be accepted online, everybody knows, and we will talk about the important dates here. Okay, so even if candidate is appearing for two examinations, the candidate will have should fill only one application form. Okay, so you have to fill only one examination form. You don't have to fill many, like 2 or 3. You will be filling only one examination. Maybe fee can be taken for couple of paper, but only you have to fill one examination form, right, application form. The gate 2021 score remain valid for 3 years. Okay, depending upon COVID-19 situation, schedule for, like I told you, these are the tentative dates given by IIT Bombay. So once the COVID-19 situation will be okay, then the gate the dates will be on that date only, examination will be conducted. Okay, right. So let us take a look at important dates. What are the important dates? Okay, yes. So guys, important dates I will talk about here. The important dates, like the website will be open from 14 September 2020. Okay, from Monday onwards, and application will be closed on 30. So you can see guys, number of days are less, only 16 days are given. So you need to be very cautious about it. You need to fill, don't wait for last day, okay, last minute to fill the form. You can fill up from 14 onwards, otherwise website will be having lot of traffic and you will not be able to process your application. And extended date with extended fees, or late fees, you can see 7th October. Okay, and last date for change, like examination city and all, 13 November, and the admit card, the hall ticket will be available from 8th January, and these are the tentative sessions, so 9 to 12 and 3 to 6. Okay, right. So these are the important note. Because of COVID-19 situation, health and safety are very important, utmost priority. Okay, and everything is given here, right. So gate paper, what are the gate paper guys? Let us talk about gate papers. So there are 27 gate papers. You can see these are the list. Okay, so I will be only talking about electronics and communication branch. Okay, right. So total marks in each paper will be 100, and common general aptitude will be for 15 marks, and 85 marks will be from your technical paper, right? So this is very important here, and maximum 2 paper are allowed. So you can see guys here the combination is given. Okay, so if I am talking about EC, electronics and communication, in this line you can see. So here we can appear for instrumentation and physics. Okay, here if okay, right. So I will not talk about everything. Again, note is given here. You can see candidates opting to appear in 2 subject paper must have primary choice of the paper, which will be their default choice. Like I am from EC, so I will be appearing for EC, and we can also choose instrumentation and physics, right? Okay. So if I talk about the information browser, so you can download from here information browser. Okay, so everything is again the same. The question type, examination mode, CVT, duration 3 hours, you know, and subjects, number of subjects will be 27, and if I am from EC, so 1 paper I have to appear, right? Section, so there will be 2 kind of section. One will be general aptitude for all branches, and candidate selected subject like EC, electrical, you know, instrumentation, and all those things. Type of question will be MSQ, MCQ, and remaining type MSQ and NAT. So you have to be, but in MSQ there will not be any negative marking. This is one of the great thing they have done. Okay, question for testing these abilities. Okay, so what kind of question they will be asking you? Recall, okay, means if you have learned any concept in the class, so you should be able to recall in those 3 hours, and comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis. Okay, so number of question 10 plus 55 from the subjects chosen. Okay, and total 65 question will be there, and distribution of the marks you can see 15 plus 85, 100 marks, and marking scheme will be 1 marks and 2 marks. Okay, so here you can see guys everything is given. Okay, okay, so 85 and 100 and 180 minute will be given, right? Okay, so if I talk about the pre-examination, like before examination, what are things you need to know? So you must know what are the eligibility criteria. So 3rd year and 4th year and droppers are allowed for GATE examination. Syllabi, you can download syllabus from here. Okay, so I will talk about syllabi, what are the major changes has been made in the syllabus in different sessions. Okay, and document required for filling the application form. Okay, and fees. Okay, and everything. So let us go to document. Okay, so, okay, data requirement for filling the application form. So you can see guys here. So address for communication, you know, eligibility, degree details, college name and address. Okay, GATE paper, 4 choices you have to fill. Okay, high quality images, good quality images, right? Scan copy of SC/STs if you belong from SC/STs category. Okay, for general category there will not be any kind of, and net banking, all these things you need. Okay, okay, so pre-examination you need to know all these things, and you can also take a look on previous year question paper. Okay, so guys, these are the important things which has been introduced by GATE authority this year. IIT Bombay has made. Okay, so in the next session I will talking about what are the major changes made in the syllabus. Okay, so you can see this is the official website. Okay, and you can comment whatever doubts you have, whatever question you have, you can comment in the comment section. I will be answering that, and in the next video I will talking about what are the new announcement I'm going to make, and what are the new things I'm going to bring for you. Okay, for your better future. Okay, so thank you so much guys, all the best. Okay, for GATE 2021.